In the opening hours of the war with Iran, the U.S. unveiled a new weapon. It's called Lucas, the low-cost unmanned combat attack system, and it's a one-way drone. But here's the twist. It's modeled after Iran's own Shahed 136, the same drone Russia uses to bomb Ukraine. The U.S. reverse-engineered the Iranian design and rushed it into combat for the first time. Each unit costs about $35,000, but the U.S. military hopes to get that down to just $5,000. Compare that to a $50 million Reaper drone. Lucas is disposable and built to overwhelm enemy defenses. The cheap drones force the enemy to fire expensive interceptors, draining their stockpiles. CENTCOM confirmed the drones are in use, calling them American-made Retribution, modeled on Iran's own weapon.